3 oh fuck. Netherite ingots.
Okay, so yeah, there's like literally nothing here. Like, absolutely nothing. Me when I see fem.
That is a snail.
It is. Oh my god, the first thing we've seen. Bro's into it. Ribcage. Ooh, ribcage. Oh, hi, friend. Let's get out of here. This desk is not aura farming.
I want you to know about it.
Oh, hi, Gareth. Hi, friend. Man, the gremlin is so cute.
Why are you running away from me?
Oh, the pit of death. Coolio. Found my way out. Let's go. Oh crap, my O2's low. This is not good. This is not good news. Whee! Now to see if he makes it. 12% oxygen, 100 meters to go. You got this, buddy.
Oh yeah.
We made it! We made it! Let's go! Hold on, I got the perfect outro track.